All right, good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to the second game of your Interlodge Mason Basketball League, powered by the so-called Ballers. I'm your host, the one and only Ludwig Van Magic Man, and if you're watching this game on YouTube, so-called Ballers 21. We have our committee for today, Jessel Navalta, and our special camera duties guy, our brother Harlem Ruiz. The matchup is Solomon Staircase versus Pac-Rim. Pac-Rim starting with Parungaw, Fronda, Bacani, Malones, and Soriano. For Solomon Staircase, we have Sanchez, Ash, Rivera, De Los Reyes, and
It's right, huh?
Atre. Of course, we are live here in Focia Park in Carson City, California. Who are the players to watch out here for both teams? Well, for Pac-Rim, their standing is 1-1. They're wearing a combination jersey of black and yellow, while for Solomon Staircase, black and white. So it's gonna be complicated because they're both wearing dark uniform. Of course, our referees for today is referee Lanny and referee Janet. Who are the players to watch out here for both teams? Well, for Solomon Staircase, we have Adam De Los Reyes, who have been leading them in points. While for Pac-Rim, they have Reyes, they have Bacani, they have Parungaw. But momentarily, Parungaw, or rather Reyes, is not here to play this ballgame, and they will have to play without one of their leading scorers. But of course, they have Parungaw here, who can carry the load, both in the offensive end, together with Glenn Bacani, who is trying to make a move on the post. Fronda throws a wild shot, rebound taken by Adre. Sanchez, also the big fella in the paint, who can hit it from long distance. Reyes left wide open. De Los Reyes knocks it down. Is it a 3 or just 2? It's a 3-point basket made by Adam De Los Reyes. Well, they're relying on Adam De Los Reyes' prolific scoring prowess. There you go. De Los Reyes. He needs to energize his team, no? His team is relying on him. He is capable of setting up the plays as a playmaker and as a scorer as well. Sanchez goes for his favorite hook shot, baby hook. Ryan Malones on the run, sees an opening. Malones goes all the way, gets the rebound, puts it back. Ryan Malones taking matters into his own hands. And the crowd shouting idol, no? Ryan Malones. Idol ko din yan. Ash swings the ball around. Adre, top of the key. Way off the mark. It's 17 minutes remaining in the first half. Baseball pass this time. Parungaw is the one throwing the baseball pass, no? Usually he's the recipient of that baseball pass, but without Reyes, he is the one making the plays. Soriano, they swing that ball around and Fronda unable to catch it in the paint. All fun and games so far. Pac-Rim, of course, one of the contenders here. If you have watched the game, no? Watch the game, Pac-Rim versus DPWH, the buzzer beater game. Wow, that was just an amazing game. Worthy of a playoff matchup or a championship game, no? Showing us why Team Pac-Rim is one of the heavyweights in this division. Fronda, left wide open, and Edsel Fronda knocks it down from Jimmy Country. Well, if you're wondering what is Jimmy Country, now usually it came from the NCAA play, no? Jimmer Fredette actually of the NCAA, because he's hitting those 3-point shots from way downtown. If you're familiar with Jimmer Fredette, back in the day, no? He was compared to Steph Curry but wasn't able to carry it over in the NBA ranks. But he played well in China, no? Jimmer Fredette. That's why we call it Jimmy Country. from long distance. Okay, just a little trivia. No? Reverse from Ryan Malones. Ryan Malones with a 360 reverse underneath the paint. Powering his way, Ryan Malones. Well, Ryan Malones is an energy guy, no? From dead defensive end, he provides those quality minutes, but this time he's a starter. Well, he earned that starter minutes. And traveling violation for Edsel Fronda, no? And timeout, ref?
Sub.
Substitution, only substitution. Substitution, okay. Substitution. Abadilla and Mustafa in the ball game. Fresh legs for Solomon Staircase. Our official score is 7-3. Pakrim up by 4. With a spin move from Sanchez. Malones thought about it, but he decides to slow things down. Fronda, high-low. Bacani underneath the basket against the big fella Sanchez. And Sanchez will be called for his foul. That's an interesting matchup, no? Bacani in the paint, body to body. Sanchez and Bacani, physicality in the floor, no? It's all part of the ball game, the physicality. The free throws will be given to Bacani. Well, like what we mentioned, no? Physicality is part of the ball game. But as long as it's not a dirty play, we keep on going with that. No? It's part of basketball. As they say, if ayaw mo masaktan, mag-chess ka na lang. Timeout will be called by Solomon Staircase. That's their first timeout. We'll be right back after some few reminders. This is SoCal Ballers 21 on YouTube. We'll be back.
Hello? Martes ko kaya yan, te. Nag-break basketball lang ito. Martes, te, isa ba ito? Buwan te. Martes, ti nagtungtungan tayo di last. Buwan sige, te. Okay ba? Buwan te. Okay ba?
Back to the ball game. If you have just tuned in here in our SoCal Ballers 21 Interlodge Mason, this is Ludwig Van Magic Man doing the MC host commentary and analysis for this ball game. The matchup is Solomon Staircase against Pakrim. Solomon Staircase looking for their first win. Well, they are a new team here in this tournament, no? This is part of the journey, looking for their first win. Some teams makes a mark right away in the tournament, but right now for Solomon Staircase, they are finding out that it's rather difficult to log in their first victory. Brother Derek, our commissioner, is in the building. Hook shot from Sanchez, and Sanchez misses that hook shot. Of course, our commissioner, Brother Derek Valdez from Sunnyside Lodge. Of course, look at that move from Parua. He didn't continue that one. As Edsel Fronda buries the tray with a cold-blooded 3, usually served hot. 12-3 in favor of Pakrim. Mustafa loses the handle, 4-on-2 situation. Barua behind the back passing to Soriano. Soriano cleans up the mess. As unselfish play made by Parungao and Soriano. De Los Reyes with that jump hook way off the mark. Well, he needs to involve his teammates here, no? Yes, he is a prolific scorer, but they need to step up, no? They need to help him out, probably provide some screens so that he can score, or set the play up when the defense collapses. Abadilla, 3-on-1 situation. Abadilla taking it strong, but Bacani holds his ground. Bacani Drop pass to Ryan Malones, and Malones, one of the candidates for player of the game, for Ryan Malones, playing inspired today, and now they're up 16-3. Well, you gotta play inspired though because he played a while ago with Palaka Shooting Club. They are down by 50 points, but of course, it's no shame for Palaka Shooting Club because they're not playing with JM Mangilit a while ago. If JM Mangilit was here, it could have been different, and of course the chemistry issues as well. But of course, credit MOT as well. Bakani with the mayday as Bakani lists it down with a back shot. Well, one thing apparent here for Pakrim is their team play, no? Very unselfish. They swing that ball around, ball movement. Best. Oh, well, you can learn something from Pakrim, no? They've been playing for 3 seasons, I think, already. And, you know, they learned a lot, no? Especially after losing to San Diego in the playoffs last season, no? They're on the hunt for the championship as well. With the timeout, Pakrim. We'll be right back after this timeout.
Nakakadami na ng stretching yung referee natin.
Back to the ball game. This is the Interlodge Mason Basketball League powered by the SoCal Ballers. Welcome to the second game of your 4-game headliner here in Carson, California. Ludwig Van Magic, your host MC, and of course, I have here in the committee stable Brother Harlem Ruiz and Jessel Navalta. Of course, Brother Harlem Ruiz from Clarence F. Smith Daylight Lodge number 866, our mother lodge. And on the free throw line is Edsel Fronda shooting 2. And he misses his first shot. And while he is on the timeout, this is the best time for us to promote our SoCal Ballers 21 on YouTube page. Make sure to subscribe because we need subscribers so that we can do our live stream. Comes up short. Of course, if you want to watch the action, this game will be uploaded probably later or tomorrow. Baseline throw. Rivera, short. Tries to track down his own miss for Rivera. Look at Rivera providing some energy. Well, that is something that the Solomon Staircase needs, no? Some energy, especially on the defensive end. Make some hustle plays and try to force some turnovers. Comes up short. De Los Reyes. This guy is a quick point guard. Well, this guy is a combo guard, no? He can set up the play and at the same time he can hit those baskets. But unfortunately, look at Rivera trying to save that play, but it goes on the other end. Well, you gotta appreciate those hustle plays from Rivera, no? Despite being down by 16, 19-3, Pakrim not yet showing the whole repertoire here. Of course, we're grateful for everyone who's here coming out from their homes, you know. We appreciate your time being here because you could be anywhere in the world but you chose to be here with us to watch these games live. But of course, no? Sabi nga ni Enigma from Flip Top, iba pa rin pag live, no? But of course, you can also watch this game on YouTube, SoCal Ballers 21. Our score is 19-3 in favor of Pakrim. Ambagan, De Los Reyes, between the legs dribbling, with his favorite patented jump hook, and Bagao, is it Bagao or Bagao? Either way. Okay, how good, brother? So, thank you for that information. As Reyes able to escape the clutches of the defense, everything but the shot. And look at Ryan Malones Follow-up from Ash, but Ash misses. Fronda, one-on-one against Sanchez. Interesting matchup, big guys. Bagaw, wide open, drop pass to Dokusin, Ralph Dokusin. Mr. Quality minutes for Pakrim. Well, this guy has been playing superbly well for Pakrim, especially against that matchup with the defending champs. Now he was able to provide some quality minutes. Ralph Dokusin, no? I like this guy, how he plays, no? Especially for his team. No nonsense guy, no? I mean, he just plays all heart, all out, no? Given the minutes that he has. Of course, playing behind players like Reyes, no? That's the best he could do. Provide some points off the bench. And Jeron Bacani hits all net. As our score now is 22-3, 19-point lead. Correct my math if I'm wrong, because sometimes it's difficult to calculate in my head, but I think it's correct. 22-3, it's a 19-point lead. Ash comes up short. Adre with the offensive putback behind the back, passing De Los Reyes, carrying his team. Adre almost losing it, but look at Malones again providing some quality defense. Malones, a candidate for the player of the game as Ryan Malones, powering his way in the paint, no? Makikita na natin finally a picture ni Ryan Malones, Players of the Week, no? Hopefully, we're looking forward to that, no? Baseball pass, Jeron Bacani. Well, that depends on how many points he will score, unless the other players of Pacquiao. But this game is not yet over, no? It's 24-3, 21-point lead. Who knows if Solomon Staircase can mount a comeback here, because it's still very early. It's just the first half. Remember, this is 2 halves of 20 minutes running time. And finally, another candidate also for the player of the game is Adam De Los Reyes, who has been leading his team with his timely baskets. Ralph Dokusin. Malones looking at his options. So now the defense tightening up on him. They know that he can score and make those buckets. Ralph Dokusin, all day to shoot. And that was too strong as Jeron Bacani not prepared for that rebound. And a golden opportunity for Solomon Staircase to trim down the lead. Adam De Los Reyes. And still offline. Well, as they say, shooters will try to shoot. Mentality that brought Steph Curry and Klay Thompson. Ryan Malones! Look at that beautiful move from Ryan Malones. And his team is shouting MVP. Well, why not, no? Ryan Malones. Bukod sa fashionista yan si Ryan Malones, napakagaling din na player, no? Ryan Malones. Don't jinx your own shot, Ryan Malones. But that guy is a good player, no? He's also a good person. As they say, being in masonry, you have to be a good person. No? So, being a part of this brotherhood means that you are a good person inside and out. De Los Reyes, all alone, Ambagan. They tap it away. De Los Reyes again using his speed and quickness. De Los Reyes against Dokusin. De Los Reyes, too strong. Bacani against Sanchez, trying to dance around his opponent, able to create his move, however, comes up empty. De Los Reyes kicks it out, corner, short, Fronda, baseball pass, Bagaw, Bacani, easy basket for Jeron Bacani, banking it in. Well, Jeron Bacani, in their first game where they won against MOT, he was the player of the game with 14 points. Well, this guy can score, can make those baskets. So you gotta watch out as Adam De Los Reyes finally hitting 26-8. 18-point lead. Am I correct? 18-point lead, bro?
Tama, tama.
Yes. There's some people watching on YouTube, they might say, "Hey, that guy is not calculating correctly, you know?" But Fronda from a long distance. And Solomon Staircase will call a timeout after the three from Edsel Fronda. We'll be right back after this timeout as Solomon Staircase needs to talk things over. Remember, for Solomon Staircase, no, you can still beef up your lineup because until the fourth game, before the trade deadline, you cannot change your lineup anymore, no? When is the trade deadline, Kuyang Derek? 4 games after the 4 games, no? So that's still something for Solomon Staircase. Now, if you have some players that you want to play with you, you still have up until 4th game before the trade deadline. And we'll be right back after this timeout. Back to the action as we are starting the second matchup or second game between Solomon Staircase and Patrick. Patrick enjoying a 21-point lead against Solomon Staircase, 29-8. De Los Reyes with that jump hook. That's his favorite move, no? His bread and butter, so to speak.
Score niya ito lahat.
19-point game, separating both teams. Well, that's a good start for Solomon Staircase. At the post, and back out. Foul will be called against Sanchez.
Si Reyes lang may score sa kabila. All 10.
All 10 points coming from Adam De Los Reyes, no? And Jeron Bacani putting up that wonderful layup, no? Jeron Bacani. It's a light workout for him. 31-10. All 10 points, no? Coming from Adam De Los Reyes. Well, somebody has to step up also for Team Solomon Staircase, no? And finally, for JP Abadilla with that fade away move from JP Abadilla. That was a nice move, no? Reminds me of Dirk Nowitzki fade away, no? Bagao directing traffic, but that was read accordingly from Adam De Los Reyes. The first man, Adam De Los Reyes, 31-14. And that's one way to inspire your team, no? Score 12 points in the first half. Dokusin, one-on-one against Abadilla. Goes for the spin move, and Ash with the defensive stop. Well, good defensive fader from Ash, not giving up. And that ends the first half. As Pakrim up 31-14. We'll be right back after this first half. Welcome back to the second half action of your Interlodge Mason Basketball League, powered by the So-Called Ballers. I'm your host, the one and only Ludwig Van Magic Man, together with our committee stable, Jessel Navalta and Harlem Ruiz, together with our referees for today, referee Lanny and referee Janet, with the second game between Solomon Staircase and Pakrim. The score right now is 14-31 in favor of Pakrim. As Fronda left wide open, and Fronda will list it down. Who are the leading scorers for both teams during the first half? For Solomon Staircase, Adam De Los Reyes with 12 points. Well, for Pakrim, who's the leading scorer for Pakrim?
Fronda.
Fronda with how many points? Fronda is our leading scorer for Pakrim.
12 points.
12 points as well. So that's a head-to-head matchup between Pakrim and Solomon Staircase. Edsel Fronda and Adam De Los Reyes, both with 12 points. Akala ko pa naman si Ryan Malones ang leading scorer. Ryan Malones needs to score more if he wants to be the player of the game. Here comes Ryan Malones, throws it to Edsel Fronda. Fronda, he finds Mustafa there on the defensive end. Fronda knocks it down for his 15th point of the ball game. One of the candidates for the player of the game, Edsel Fronda, with the magic number of 69. That's my favorite number. Don't ask me why. 16 to 36, 20 point lead, yes. With the early goings of the second half, as Adam De Los Reyes misses. Pumps it in the air for Abadilla. Foul will be called on Glenn Bacani. That's his first personal foul, I believe. Tito Jesse, that's his first personal foul on Glenn Bacani. Glenn Mike Bacani. And comes up short for Abadilla. Well, they need to do more here for Solomon Staircase. This is their second game. They lost against Grayson Peters as well, winning their first game, so they need to work on a lot, no? But it has been apparent as the Kusin misses put back from Glenn Bacani. No? As we mentioned, no, it has been apparent that Adam De Los Reyes is their go-to guy with 12 points as of the moment. But he needs a second scoring option with the pick and roll play. Good execution, however, unable to finish it. Ryan Malones, one-on-one against Abadilla, and Ryan Malones goes to the line as he's determined to get that player of the game, as we call him the MVP, no? His teammates are shouting, no? Ryan Malones. Oh, there you go. MVP. Wow, that's pressure-packed free throws for Ryan Malones as he misses that free throw. Well, no, why not? No, Ryan Malones plays well, especially on the defensive end, no? The way he plays in the defensive end, he is an asset to any team that he plays, no? Especially for Pakrim, which is a contender, no? Especially in the playoffs, he can provide those lockdown defense on the scorers of other teams. No, he can put down the clamps on certain scorers. As Abadilla tallies with his 4th point in this ball game. Well, he might be the second leading scorer that they are looking for Solomon Staircase. They need to work on that chemistry as Ralph Docuzin, Mr. Quality Minutes for Ralph Docuzin. Wreck-It Ralph Docuzin. Adam De Los Reyes uses the screen from both Mustafa and Rivera. Cross court. Touch pass. Abadilla against Docuzin. Thought about it. Takes it closer. Takes the jumper. Front rim, Rivera, Mustafa, top of the key, back to Rivera, wide open. Rivera tries to track down his own miss, but he hesitated as that took away some seconds as he loses that ball. Ariel Parungao, Kuyang Takashi, that's his nickname. And look at Malones, body-to-body action, bumping and grinding. And foul will be called on Ash. Ooh, Ryan Malones not counted. Substitution first. Adre. Kala ni Malones counted na. But don't worry, you have a lot of score already. But Edsel Fronda still has a lot of score for Pakrim. With 15 minutes remaining, Team Solomon Staircase still finding their way in that journey as swatted away by Glenn Bacani. Not in my house. Hindi pa natin nakita yung wag the finger ni Glenn Bacani, which we saw during their game against DPWH. He was pumped up during that game. That was a great game, by the way, no? So if you have a chance to watch that game, watch it again. And I tell you, you will not be disappointed with that matchup. It could have gone on either way, no? the game between DPWH and Pakrim. From the free throw line, Ryan Malones. You have to watch that again and again. Adam De Los Reyes, almost a steal. He puts his man down. But of course, traveling violation for Adam De Los Reyes. Substitution, Sanchez in the building. Ryan Malones, the MVP candidate, as early as the third game for Pakrim. Well, he's also a prized free agent, no? Because he's playing for both PSC, Palaka Shooting Club, and for Pakrim, no? A lot of teams needing his services, an enforcer in the paint. He can also provide those quality minutes, those points. As a while ago, he showed us why his teammates are calling him MVP, no? Well, why not? He can score a lot of points from the transition offense, from the post, from the three-point area. Well, indeed, I agree. He's an MVP candidate. Glenn Bacani trying to save that ball. No look pass and almost a highlight for the Cousin and Jerome Bacani. That was a wonderful play. If they made that, we could have put that in the highlight reel. Hindi ako nakagawa ng highlight reels this week. But I was able to make the Players of the Week game. And a score finally for Solomon Staircase. 21 or 23 to 44 ba?
42.
22 to 44. De Los Reyes with a jump hook. As Adam De Los Reyes continues to throw on those punches. But they're still down with a whopping 20-point lead. But you know, a 20-point lead back in the day is a difficult score to make a run. But nowadays, no, with the skill level of the players and how fast they move, they can easily make a run if they want to. No? They go at the post. Sanchez with the big fella in the paint, working his way. And timeout will be called by Pakrim as they don't want to give an inch against Solomon Staircase, as now they're trying to make a run with just 18 points separating both teams. Well, Solomon Staircase can make a run here. We'll be right back after this timeout.
Hindi ko pinapot.
Okay lang, okay lang.
Pero ngayon na marami pa.
Hindi ko na Hindi yun din yung problema ko last time, especially yung hindi ko ma-sync eh.
Ngayon.
Sabi Derek pag yun, may ayaw na tawa ito. Pero pag close, naka-record mo kung bayaran natin pag-usapan niya.
Back to the action. If you have just tuned in, this is the coverage between Pakrim and Solomon Staircase. As Pakrim in command, pump fake takes it closer for Glenn Bacani. As Glenn Bacani, what a smooth move for Glenn Bacani. Well, kaya-kaya din yan ni Ryan Malones, no? Ganun yung galawan ni Ryan Malones, di ba? But si Ryan Malones yata nagturo kay Glenn Bacani with that move, no? Sanchez uses the glass, banking it in. Soriano challenging Sanchez as he taps it away. Dukusin gets the miss, setting the table, corner. Makes it for Ralph Dukusin. Solomon Staircase, well, it's part of the journey, no? Like we keep on mentioning, no? Some teams have to go through this journey, and later on you'll find your way, no? Just like Brazen Pillars, no? They were here for 3 years, or 3 seasons already, and finally this is their winning season. so to speak, no? So all teams, no? Usually all teams have to go to that growing pains, no? If they want to continue. The key is just to continue on, no? Regardless if you win, regardless if you lose, you learn something, no? You learn to play together. You learn who is your go-to guy. You know who is your supporting cast. So it's part of the game, no? The key word is just continue to grow, continue to play together, but maybe have some additional players. Okay, so that's foul on Ralph Ducuzi. So it's a beautiful Sunday morning here in Carson, California. And Ariel Parungao, will he go all the way? No. Drop pass. Quick passing. No, behind the back. Ariel Parungao, ipasok na ang MVP. Mukhang hindi pa pinapasok yung MVP. Nihintay ko yung MVP ipasok eh. We are calling the name of the MVP. What is there? De Los Reyes lighting it up as he does. Adam De Los Reyes, 4-3. Well, if there's a bright spark here for Solomon Staircase, Adam De Los Reyes is one of those guys that they can bank on if they want to build around him. No? It's like having Cooper Flag, no, in the Dallas Mavericks team. No? They throw away at Anthony Davis. Talagang pinasok yung Dallas Mavericks. You know? But seriously, no, it's like the Dallas Mavericks organization building around Cooper Flag, trading away their veterans, no, and then building around Cooper Flag with other scorers, no. So similarly, that's a situation here for Solomon Staircase. They are a new team, but they found their scorer, they found their main man, Adam De Los Reyes, so they can work on that. Maybe surround him with some shooters, surround him with some big guys, substitution. So referee's timeout is down on the floor. Hopefully nothing serious here. As he's in excruciating pain. Hopefully nothing. And he's up. It's good to know for Soriano. Sabi nga nila, pagpag mo lang yan, no? Sabi nga ni Bump, no? If you're watching that if you're watching that I forgot the name of that YouTuber, not YouTuber eh. Si Bump, I forgot his name. But ayun, Jordan Banayad, that's his name. Sabi nga ni Jordan Banayad, ipagpag mo lang yan. Pagkapagpag, laro na agad. No? Sa leeg ang tama, sabi nga ni no? If you're watching that content, no? It's amusingly funny. No? But anyway, going back to our content, no? Please subscribe, no? If you have time, if you have a YouTube channel, subscribe to our YouTube page, So-Called Ballers 21. I'm appealing to the brethren. Please subscribe to our YouTube page, So-Called Ballers 21. Look at that spin move from Glenn Bacani, 58 to 31. Sa 27.3, nagka-calculate pa ako eh. Medyo mabagal yung pag-gano ko eh. 27.3, tama ba, Sir Harlem? Brother Harlem na pala, as we say in Masonry. We're on the level, no? At boss ko dati yan sa MTV, si Brother Harlem, no? Well, Brother Harlem is also part of the NCAA back in the Philippines, no? I remember, what year was that, Brother Harlem? 2021? 2022? 2021 yun eh, di ba? Nasa NCAA ka. NCAA. So, Brother Harlem also some experience, no? So, the collegiate level, we worked together back in the Philippines. Wilson Basketball, no? MPBL, no? And Glenn Bacani continues the damage here, as now they're up by 37. Ano, 27. 27. Yes, tama. No? Yes, my math is correct. My math is mathing. Sabi nga nila, no, my math is mathing. Your mathematics is giving. 60 to 33. Pack rim up by 27. Nanghirap pag malaki yung lead eh. No? Kailangan ko mag-calculate eh.
So,
5 minutes. Of course, Glenn Bacani on a mission, di ba? They're on the hunt for the championship as they disappointingly lost against DPWH, and what could have gone either way, which is just a buzzer beater from Derek Valdez. They could have won that game, but as they say, it's just very early in the tournament, no? So, but it's a statement game also from DPWH that they're still the kings of this tournament, no? Same thing with San Diego. San Diego last year, no, they were undefeated. And timeout from Pakrim, as we will be right back after this timeout.
Sino na-call ng timeout?
Wala gusto ng time out. Wala na.
Oo, dalawa.
Hindi magana pa yun.
Isa pang content. Isa pang personal. Siyempre, andun pa sa parehas.
Lakbon.
Back to the action if you have just tuned in. And Adam De Los Reyes, the bright spark for Solomon Staircase. Well, they gotta build around him, no? Surround him with some shooters, provide a big guy. Well, I think they have a big guy. Sanchez is that guy. No? They just need to gel properly. Of course, they have Ambagan also as well. They have Abadilla. No? They just need to work on together. And for sure, they'll get that victory sooner than later. No? 1-on-2 situation. De Los Reyes waiting for his teammate, Sanchez. The big guy with that hook shot. And now, finally, they're finding some rhythm here for Adam De Los Reyes and Sanchez. The two-man game. Well, they gotta work more on that, no? And that's something that they can build around. Three minutes remaining here in what could have been a one-sided game for Pakrim, as Bagao is in the line shooting his free throw. Our main event for today, by the way, is DPWH versus the Brazen Pillars. Maglalaro ang paborito nating player na si Brother Aldrin. No? Brother Aldrin Perez maglalaro mamaya. So abangan natin yan. No? Shout out to Brother Aldrin. Manood ka ng YouTube, SoCal Ballers 21 on YouTube. Follow and subscribe. Mag-like naman kayo pag nanood kayo ng YouTube. Mag-like naman kayo para dumami yung algorithm natin. No? Paano dadami yung viewers natin yun? But anyway, of course, it's for the enjoyment of the brethren, the family, the friends of the brethren. That's why we record these games. No? But of course, if you can share it, you know, share your skills, no? Your highlights, no? Of course, follow and subscribe our YouTube, SoCal Ballers 21. That would be a big help to the channel. SoCal Ballers 21 on YouTube with under 3 minutes left, no? 2 minutes and 30 to be exact. And look at Sanchez. He already provided 4 points. Oof. That was nasty block from Glenn Bacani. But yeah, that's one way also of showing respect to your opponents, no? Playing still all out, no? As Glenn Bacani teaching them that it's not going to be easy. Swatting that away relentlessly. As we go into the last 2 minutes of this ball game, our last 2 minutes. Abadilla, too strong. Parungaw saves it. No look pass. Bagao from the corner. Bagao almost with the shooter's bounce reverse from Jeron Bacani. Ba't hindi na binalik si Ryan Malones? Pambira naman eh. Where's Ryan Malones? Muwi na yata eh. Napagod na eh. 2 game eh. We are appealing for Pakrim to have Ryan Malones back, the MVP candidate. Eric Bagao They tap it away again one more time. 55 seconds left. Eric Bagao. One more time, 3 times. Nothing as Eric Bagao. Nope. Use the left hand. Still nothing going on for him. Adre turns and shoots. We want Ryan Malones. Where's Ryan Malones? Ba't nagsanto na si Ryan Malones? Ibalik ko si Ryan Malones, please. That's my request. 70-43. Balik na si Ryan Malones. Where's Ryan Malones? Nag-white santo na si Idol Ryan eh. Brother Idol Ryan Malones. And 10 seconds left. Baka pwede nyo pa isab si Ryan Malones. Wala na, 10 seconds na lang. Bagao trying to make his mark here. And Adam De Los Reyes on the run. And that ends the ball game. Pakrim securing their second victory in the tournament against Solomon Staircase. Solomon Staircase still looking for their first victory. And that ends our second game. This is Ludwig Van Magic Man Interlarge Mason Basketball League together with Harlem Ruiz and Jessel Navalta. We'll be right back for the third game. Thank you.
Thank you. Dahil na pinaglalaro ko pa eh. Dapat pahinga na kami.
Pas ka na bro.
Player. Ikaw.